Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited about this very special announcement because YouTube is now offering the possibility to small content creators to offer their own channel memberships. So I was very happy about it and I decided to make channel memberships available on my channel as well. I want to assure you, nothing is going to change. If you are subscribed to my channel, you will get to see my videos just like usual. But the viewers who decide to support my channel with a small affordable amount every month, they will get access to additional content, like for example behind the scene footage, unboxings, additional tips, extra recipes that are not available on the regular channel, and a little bit more kind of a relaxed and unedited footage. Like I said, nothing gets taken away from you, but the members of my SARA'S SOAP Club will get exclusive content. If you want to know more about it, you can click the join button here below. At this point, I would like to thank everybody for their support. I really appreciate it very much. I love to hear from you and I love to read your comments. I see you very soon in the next video. And in the meantime, I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye-bye.